This is the explorations worksheet, right? It's, what's it called? Okay, explorations. Yeah, we'll just put secants.
Tangents, chords.
Right. Tangents and chords. Good enough. Okay. That's always that. All right, so I'm going to go through these as much as possible, and using the idea that we've got, for example, on this first one we have a 60-degree angle, and if I highlight that angle or the arc here, so I can create an inscribed angle here with the 60, which would make this 30 degrees, because this angle intercepts that 60-degree arc. Okay? It also intercepts this angle here, intercepts this arc there. That's right. Because we know that 70 and 110 are supplements. So 110
or you could just say 70
and 30, or you could use the exterior angle theorem, right?
40 because you just know it feels good.
So by the exterior angle theorem or by the triangle sum theorem, this angle is 40 degrees, so x is 80. Does that make sense?
Oh, I drew the wrong.
Leah, you're kind of like a day behind here. So it'll start coming together. So the key is you find the chord that you have and then build in the angle that is going to be useful. Z?
I already hit 110.
Cyrus.
So to make an inscribed angle out of 79,
to get Z, you could. You could also, you could do different things. You can make an inscribed angle with the 79 right here.
I did it on the.
Would you put it here?
It's one.
And that is
Oh yeah, I did
39.5.
That's not hard.
It would work. And then you find this angle here by using the triangle sum theorem, and then you could double it to get Z, or you could take these three values and subtract them from 360. Your choice. So you like the subtracting from 360? So 60 and 80 are 140, plus another 79. So 219. So 141. Okay. I'm going to keep going. This is problem 8. So same idea. You have some given information. AB is a tangent, so right away we know we have a right angle here. Maybe that'll be useful. Oh no, it's not. It's nope. I messed it up. I was thinking that was a radius. AB is a tangent, so ABC is 75. Thanks.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Okay.
How do we get that?
It was given.
Oh,
Okay. What we can do is do an inscribed angle like with 97. Do you see this? Everybody see that arc? Well, it could be helpful because this could give me this angle here, and then I can get the supplement right here, which would give me, that doesn't look like that's going to help. Let me erase that.
Oh, I know what I used.
Cyrus.
You can use that inscribed angle of the 97, and then you just have to make another one with the 85.
You do. You have to do two.
Wait,
Well,
I can make two.
Well, watch, guys.
It's something different though.
Well, look. Is the 85 easier to start with?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh, I see that. So you can add.
It's not.
Yeah, you can add more than one line. Okay, that will work. Guys, please, one person at a time. There's more than one way, so let's look at the ways and then we can pick a method. Go ahead.
So if you draw a radius to B, then that's 90. So you know that from the radius to B to C,
Yeah.
15 degrees.
No, that's all.
Listen to what she has to say, please. Listen to what she has to say.
And you can draw an isosceles.
So if I draw a radius, this is 90, which makes this little bit 15. Is that what you're saying, Kate?
Yeah.
In here? Just listen to her.
And then there's an isosceles triangle.
So this is isosceles.
Oh my god.
So that's 15 degrees.
And then that's 150.
So this right here
Hate you.
is 150. So that's a central angle. So far, I like it better than what I was going to do.
And then you can use.
Oh yeah, you just add them up. Then you just try and
No,
Could be.
degrees.
Okay. So the point is, what we just did was we looked at three possibilities, but we didn't dig into any one until we found one that we kind of liked, right? If it's a ton of work, try to explore other options.
Oh.
So wait a minute. So now we've got this 150, right? Then 97.
Oh my gosh.
Then 85. Kate, what do those three add up to? What's left over?
Okay, don't fail us now.
I got it.
Thank
I
you.
got this. Don't pressure.
Silent.
She's a calculator.
And 332.
332. So those add up to 332.
That equals
48.
X is 28 degrees.
I like that.
I like that a lot.
332.
Okay, and then when we have 28, so we still though have y, right? So Cyrus,
So my dad showed me this.
the tricks we're gonna get
Oh
to.
yeah.
We're not there yet.
I saw that.
Yeah, someone needs to teach me like X equals Y or something. Or something
Okay.
like that.
There's tricks, but really here's the thing about an advanced. You guys are a really advanced class. The tricks are too easy for you. You need to use them in the end. But what is really good thinking for you is this, because this is hard for you. And there's never enough times where you're challenged. This is where the tricks come from. But you also need to learn how to problem solve because there's not a trick for every math problem.
How to get what?
Okay, I'm going to wait till it's quiet again. Shh. Okay. So, how to get y? This is what I would do. I would get the supplement. Well, I would put a triangle in there.
So when you make the radius,
So, like, for example, now I know 28, right? So this angle's 14.
Wait,
yeah, I'm sorry.
yeah, I don't.
Oh, because it's an inscribed angle.
Because it's an inscribed angle.
Oh, that wasn't just crazy.
Yes, we can because it's C from that one, and that's it adds up to 97,
Because if I erase and use,
and then the
I'm going to erase
supplementary.
Kate's idea here, because this over here is half a 97, which is what I was going to do first. We still have to go back to that. Half a 97 is 47.5?
Supplementary angles.
48.5, thank you.
Supplementary angles.
So now you can figure this out.
131.5.
Oh, that's 131. It's
31.5.
31.5.
Very done.
Or use the exterior angle theorem, you guys, and just go to y. Because 14 from 48.5 is what y is.
Because look, the two base angles of a triangle.
So the exterior angle theorem is that this is like 50, and this is 100, we know from the triangle sum theorem this is 30, right? The exterior angle is 130, right? Because these two have to be supplementary, and these three have to be supplementary. The 130 is always going to be equal to the sum of the remote interiors. So I have 48.5 on the outside of this triangle. So it's going to be equal to the sum of these two.
Oh, got it.
The two non-supplementary.
You got it?
How did you know the 14?
How did I know the 14? Because I took Kate's 28
Oh, okay.
and divided it in half. Abby.
What if I drew a line from B
So here.
to the through the and I got, so I knew that would be 90, so I subtracted 75 from 90 to get 15.
Where does the 90 come from? Okay, hold on.
95.
Not yet. Let's clone this. And erase it. So, if you went from here to the here, Abby, or to here,
Well, I drew B as a radius.
the radius.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like Kate did.
So I knew that that was 90 degrees.
This is 90 here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I took 75 and I subtracted it from 90.
And gave the 50, because this was 75 and 15, so we did all that.
Yeah, but then, oh, I get what I did wrong.
Okay. We're going to move to the next one. So these are good quiz problems. They really are. And not just the shortcuts. Like not just memorizing some rules.
That's forcing.
Okay. So here we have another problem. So can we figure out why?
78.
78.
68.
No, 68. 68. It's double 34, right? Okay. Agreed or not?
Agreed.
Okay. What did you say, Connor? You can connect C to O.
Oh, I never even. Okay.
Well, let's just go with one way. So you put in a radius. Is that what you're telling me? Okay. And so then you have, what'd you do with that? I mean, I know you have 90, and you have a central angle of 127.
So that you can do supplementary angles.
So this is 53. And then you've got this angle out here. Well, that's nice. They haven't asked us for it, but it's going to give us Z because we know this is 90, right?
Right.
See what he did?
Ow. That is awesome.
Okay.
It creates kind
So he put a radius in, made a 90, right? 90 and 53 and whatever's missing here is 3 angles of a triangle, so 37.
Yeah.
Why do we even need that?
No, because we had drawing
Listen to his idea. Oh, you guys could be better at listening to each other's ideas. Okay, so there's a big triangle.
Or you could just do it minus 127 to 180.
Yeah, because height.
So that's 53. Okay, I'm going to stop for a minute.
Guys.
Just because you think your way's better doesn't mean somebody else's way is not valid. And the way that he explained that might help somebody. So it doesn't really matter if you notice something different when we're listening to somebody else's method. Got it? So here's the thing. The thing that we did figure out, some of you did say, and Connor, I don't know if you saw that, this is a kite because we have 2 external tangents. And we know that when we have a kite, these two angles have to be supplementary. So they both work. Okay? So that gives us everything but x.
Which is easy.
X is just the remaining part of that semicircle. So,
Yeah, okay, and that's what makes my sausage
But it's
triangle.
easier.
yeah, this is pretty easy, right?
It's just that one.
68 plus what makes 180?
112.
112.
No, no.
Are we making sense there?
100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Easier problem right here, right? Don't you think?
I know how to do this.
Okay, look at this arc here. Do you see this? So 44 plus x has to be 39 times 2.
Wait, yeah, it's 34.
Well, double 39.
78.
So this has to be 78.
So minus
So subtract the 44,
24.
and you get the 34. So hopefully the 34 is okay.
Oh, I don't know why I didn't think about this.
Then put in,
Oh no, it's one way.
wait a minute. Yeah, that angle there, and that's intercepts this arc here.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
see it?
I was looking at the other. Yeah.
So 60 and 72 add up to,
132.
yeah, so 30 plus 36 would 66, right? So then I can get this missing angle here, can't I?
Yep.
39 plus 66 is
5. Or 105.
105.
Plus 7.
So 75. Let's double check that.
But 150. Why?
Okay. $75 times 2 is 150.
I don't know how to get it to be though.
Okay, so are we okay so far? Everybody? Let's see.
Okay, so I know that wasn't it? It was 122 because.
Not sure.
Wait, 140. Oh yeah, it's 122.
Oh yeah, it's 1
You guys-
plus 34
you guys-
divided by 2.
Let him talk.
You have. You create this right here. That's so you know this is 22. That creates this. Oh, I see. I see. Look.
So he put in this line here. It's half of 44. That's 22. And then this little one right here
You put that
is
it's 60, so it's 30.
30.
No, it can't be because that's not inscribed.
Oh,
Oh.
I did the wrong thing.
Yeah, that's not inscribed. Let me just get my paper.
36.
And then
Oh.
you take
I see.
this one is 36 because it spreads out.
Yeah.
72.
Here we go, right here.
And then you can
36 right
and then you
here.
find, and these are vertical angles, so you just find the one, you find a triangle now because you know this is 22, this is 36. and
So out here would be
120.
58, the exterior angle
And
theorem.
then there have to be something like this.
So Z's the supplement.
Wait, how do you equal?
1, 20. That's what we just did.
How did we get?
Because Lily just learned this exterior angle theorem today, so I'm showing her how it works.
Oh.
Okay? She wasn't here for all the different days that we did that. Every
How did we get X?
Okay, how we doing on this?
How we get F?
X was the,
Remember 78 minus 44?
yeah.
That's like 44 minus.
The turquoise arc here, right
Oh
here,
yeah. Oh yeah.
is double that.
Double that.
What's the question? What time are we on here? 5? 55, right? Okay.
I got it.
So, let's look at this one. We're trying to find the arc, this arc CD. So, and we have a tangent. Anybody want to give a suggestion? Abby? We might, let me move that up.
Yeah, I got it.
Hold on. Abby?
So, you draw a segment between D and C,
Okay.
and one between C, E,
Let's talk about this one. That gives you 70 here, right?
right?
Which gives you 110 here.
Yep.
Do you see that? Because it intercepts this arc, that's 140.
Oh.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. It's also, go ahead. There's also something else you can use right there.
CE.
Well, go ahead, Abby.
Then I drew CE. I don't.
CE, put
yeah.
CE in.
Yeah. Which, if I figured out E would give me that arc CD.
So what's that going to give you?
DC.
DC. Once I figured out E. And then.
Yeah, but did you figure out E?
I did.
Okay. So, you going to walk us through it?
Sure. So I drew the two radii between CA and EA.
There we go, the central angle, right?
Oh, and they're isosceles.
So this is 70 in here, 140 in here, right?
And that means the other two must be isosceles.
Right,
So they're both 20.
20,
Wait, I don't see that.
20 right here.
Oh, wait. Central angle.
Because
It's all
this is a central angle, so that arc and this angle are the same. 20 here. Keep going, Abby.
okay, and let's see, what can I do next? Oh yeah. And then what did I do next? It's such a confusing. Okay, so I have two angles in the triangle FDC. So I added them together to get the third angle,
Yeah. So that has to be 35, right?
which means the triangle is isosceles.
Yes.
Thank you.
Even though it doesn't look as nice.
Yeah. And then I did something else.
So this is where the shortcuts are really handy.
Yeah, let's get those shortcuts.
Hold on, no.
Let's get those shortcuts.
You got, so the shortcuts again, they're not gonna make you a better math student. They're gonna get you a few more right problems, but the job that you are supposed to do this year is get better at solving problems.
So how do we get
So,
35?
does anybody have another strategy that can help Abby while she thinks of her works? What'd you do, Cyrus? Good so far, Abby.
Well, so,
Should I erase stuff or?
well, no, I just did the same thing, but then you just.
Keep going.
You add 35 and 20 and then subtract it from 180, and that, gives you, sorry,
There's two more angles.
so it's 125, and then you have D. Once you add that to the one.
Oh yeah, that is what I did.
Say it again.
Well, so you add 20 and 35 and then subtract that from.
Because look at you, I think you don't see what he's seeing. See the 35 and this 20, subtract that from 180 and you'll get the missing piece there.
But
No,
Wait, no.
no, it says not 180. Because
Oh.
the other angle.
Oh. 35.
Subtract 35 from 90.
Yeah, because you
It's the
can
right
figure
angle.
out.
It's the right angle.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
better.
that's what I did.
But I don't say you got 35.
Oh, why do I have such bad?
That's what you meant, Cyrus.
I don't say we got.
Because the triangle.
Look, guys. Do you see this is a radius?
Triangle. So then that's.
So this is 90.
That's 55.
55 here, right?
And then when you add that to 20.
But then you've got this triangle. This is here. Right, so this is why we like shortcuts.
Well, no,
Oh, that's not the triangle you're going to use?
well, well, once you have 55, you just add that to
Add
20.
20 and then you have
that
90.
angle of the.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like that. So this makes, so we're looking at this triangle,
Yeah.
which makes that inscribed angle. Yeah, so 55 and 20 is 75 and 70. 145, so this whole piece here has to be 35.
No, that's the equal. DE is 110.
I'm doing DC.
Oh.
Is that not what you were doing?
No, I was doing DE and then you just subtract it from 360.
Okay. So either way, I used part of yours and I thought you were going there, so I apologize for that. You see this would be 35? So this would be double, which is 70,
And then subject plus 1
and then subtract to get. That's a hard one.
That was a hard second problem too.
Okay. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, so DE then, this is 70, and this is 140. So 210, yeah. This would be 150.
That's just stretched out my brain.
Okay, the point of these, you guys, is to actually work really hard on them. There are some shortcuts, but we're not going to have anything this complicated yet on a quiz. Okay? So, no, listen. So things that you should be able to do on a quiz, something like this.
Oh, yeah.
And that would be the harder level.
Alright.
Okay? Michael.
So are these on the quiz tomorrow?
That should be a bonus.
So on the quiz tomorrow, if we looked at all of these, things that you should be able to do on a quiz are something like 5. I'm going to wait again. That's okay. It'd be good for your parents to listen to this.
Guys, come on.
5, something like 5 would be a good question. 8 is actually a good level. But when you get to, say, that number 2, without shortcuts, that's pretty hard.
Yeah.
Unreasonable unless that was the whole quiz.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm not going to do the shortcuts. I don't even want you to use them all. So Cyrus knows shortcuts. That's okay. He can still show the other way.
Yeah, I know some.
Understood?
Understood.
So when you go home and Google shortcuts and formulas and ask your parents,
You're cheating.
no, I'm not going to grade them that way. I want you to solve these problems by developing the rules by adding in chords. And then once you show me you could do that on a quiz, you are free to use the shortcuts for the rest of the semester. Okay, so homework. You haven't been dismissed. Homework.